How you can increase your testosterone. The testes are two organs that are inside your scrotum. If you check your penis, there are two balls under it. There are two balls, there are two eggs that are under your testes, your scrotum. They are called testes. So these testes, they are the one that help to produce this testosterone or your sperm. Do you understand? So when this testosterone or sperm is produced, they are the one that now help you to satisfy your reproductive health as a man. So what are the fruits or what are the food that you can eat to increase or to boost the level of your testosterone in your body? So if you are just coming across our video for the very first time, you're welcome to my channel. Whether you are a man or you are a woman, you have any problem as far as regarding your sexual health, your reproductive health, this channel got you covered. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button so that you will be getting more of this video when next we make them for you. Then there are certain foods or there are certain fruits that can actually help you to boost this testosterone level or to boost your sperm whenever you ejaculate. There are many men that have been asking me in my DM, in my comment section, that what are the things that they can use to boost their level. If you check in this video, I am going to list everything for you accordingly and how they will help you. Number one thing that you should never underrate that can help you to boost your testosterone level is what I'm holding right of you. Egg. You see this egg? It is very, very good. It is very, very, very good. Once you have or you have been diagnosed with low testosterone level or you produce low sperm, it is very good for you to take an egg every day. Just one is okay. Then this egg, you're not just taking it, you are taking a boiled egg. You don't eat it raw. If you say, okay, the doctor said you should take an egg, that doesn't mean you should take it anyhow. The most preferable way of taking this egg is for you to boil it. Do not fry it, because if you fry it, you might not get the sufficient nutrient that you need. And at the same time, do not take it in raw form, but preferably make sure you boil it. Once you boil it, eat it yourself. Don't share it. It is just for yourself alone. So taking egg regularly, it contains a lot of minerals, it contains zinc and a lot of vitamins that will help you to boost your testosterone level. So never underestimate the function or the benefit of taking an egg every day. An egg a day will help you to last longer in bed. Then this will take us to the number two thing or the number two fruit that can also help you to boost this testosterone level. The second one is for you to take a banana. If you have banana, it is very, very good. It is a good source of vitamin. Banana is a very good source of vitamin that when you take them, it helps to last you longer. Whenever you are in bed with your partner, instead of spending 2 minutes or some minutes that you are not, you yourself, you know that you've not attained your sexual pleasure, your sexual satisfaction. Whenever you take banana, it will help you to last more longer in bed, thereby increasing your testosterone level and your sperm fluid. It also helps you. So also never underestimate or never underrate the function of banana in your sexual life and in helping you to increase your testosterone level. Then the last thing or the last fruit I am going to tell you today that you should always make sure that you take and it will help you to boost your testosterone level is for you to take avocados. I'll put the picture here so that you can see what an avocado means. Avocado is a green plant, a green fruit that you eat, and you are not just eating it. It's something that is so nutritious. It's the fruit that is so nutritious for you to boost your fertility, for it to boost your testosterone level. So when you take enough avocados every day, every 3 days, with the listed fruits, you see that there will be an increase, in fact, a double increase in your testosterone level. So try out these 3 hacks that I've given to you in this video, and you will see that you last more longer in bed than before. You will see that your testosterone level increases drastically. You see that your sexual pleasures, your libido begin to increase. So try out these 3 things. Try out an egg every day, a boiled one. Try and eat banana, and try and eat avocados. You are going to have an increase in your testosterone level, an increase in your sexual satisfaction with your partner. Till we meet again in our next video, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button so that next time we have information like this, important videos like this, you will not miss out of it. Click on this video that YouTube is suggesting for you to watch next, and I will meet you there.